Hi, intro students. This is a brief explanation of your first assignment. Assignment 1, it's called 24-hour drawing, and it's a long-term assignment. Notice that it won't be due until week 9, day 1. That's right before spring break. What you're going to do is you're going to make a 24-hour drawing. You're going to use a single sheet of 8.5 by 11 standard blank white paper. And what you're going to do is, over this period of time between now, the assignment being given to that final due date, I want you to spend a total of 24 hours making a single drawing on that piece of paper using pen only or some kind of permanent marking material. So no pencils, no erasable implements. Now, the main thing to, one more criteria is that I want you to draw observationally. So I want you to draw something that you actually see. So it can't be from imagination, right? So it's observational means you're observing it, or it's a type of drawing where you're drawing what you see. Now, obviously, I think it might make sense to pick something that's static over that period of time, so like a bookshelf or something like that. It's totally your call, though. Now, the one crux, and the one thing I really want you to consider as we progress through the course, we're going to start talking about what it means to spend time. Okay, and so when we get into this discussion around how we qualify or define what makes something art or not, often labor comes into this discussion. And so when we look at something and we think it's well made, or we start to lay judgment on it in terms of its value, often that's coupled with it looking like time was spent on it, or looking like it was crafted over a long period of time, or it looks as though it took a long time to make. Those are things that I want you to start questioning. So when you're doing this assignment and you're thinking about what qualifies as time spent in terms of that 24 hours, I want you to start thinking about what counts. What counts in terms of time spent. So a hint would be to think about Duchamp, think about Marcel Duchamp, and think outside the box a little bit in terms of what constitutes time spent of this 24 hours making this drawing, and in the end, what would that drawing look like? All right, good luck.